The Glider D4 Magnetic Window Cleaner is an innovative tool designed to clean both sides of your windows simultaneously, thanks to its powerful magnetic strength. This versatile window cleaner is suitable for nearly all window types, including single, double, and triple glazed windows, with thicknesses ranging from 0.1 to 1.6 inches. Equipped with adjustable magnetic force control, the Glider D4 ensures a streak-free finish, making it ideal for those hard-to-reach areas. Safety is prioritized with the included anti-falling rope, providing peace of mind when cleaning high exterior windows, such as those in balconies or apartments. The tool includes durable and ultra-soft microfiber cloths, which are reusable and enhance the cleaning process by providing a spotless shine on all glass surfaces. Perfect for tall buildings and complex window designs, this cleaner saves time and effort by allowing you to clean exterior windows effortlessly from the inside.